Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Melissa here, and I've got a quick video on how I bleach and tone my hair using Wella T14. So let's get started. Schwarzkopf Igora is my favorite bleaching product. I mix 2 scoops with a 1:2 ratio of 30 volume Develeoper. I usually add a little bit more just to make the paste a little smoother and easier to apply. Once mixed, you can add 1/16 of an ounce of Olaplex No1 bond multiplier to protect your hair from the bleach. I use this every time I bleach my hair. I also applied coconut oil all over my hair to protect it a little bit more and to make it stay in place. Starting from the bottom and about 1 centimeter away from the roots, I started applying the bleach on my hair. I kept from my ends as well, as it's still a bit lighter from my ombre, but you surely don't have to do that. Once I've done my whole head, I will then apply the bleach on my roots and my ends as well. I left it in for about an hour, then wash it out with just warm water. The next step is to use Wella Colorcharm T14 and mix it with a 20 volume cream Develeoper. And now it's toning time to get rid of this ugly orange on my head. Using a different technique on my towel dried hair, I split it into 2 parts and started adding the toner at the top and the back of my head. I then sectioned kind of diagonally. As you can see, I find this way quicker for toning and wouldn't need 2 mirrors as much. I applied the toner all over my hair, then left it in for another 20 minutes before washing it out and used Olaplex No2 Bond Perfector on it. You can see there are still some yellow bits, so I'll still have to go through another light bleaching session just to make sure. But otherwise, I'm super happy. My hair isn't orange anymore. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Bye!